Welcome to Adelgaard Jersey.
Thank you.
We have been a lot working with breeding for many years, and we have also been working with American genetics. We have always been looking at the American genetics, what they could contribute to our breeding philosophy and to our herd especially. And we can see when we look back in the pedigrees of what bulls we are working with today and also selling to Viking, there are especially 3 bulls that has done a significant impact on our Danish Jersey cows. If we go a little bit back, a bull like Erwin has worked amazing for us on our very much Danish herd. And also a bull like Casino over the last years. And lately a bull like Spiral have done a really good job and works really good combined with the Danish bloodlines.
Yeah. What are you looking for primarily when you're looking at American bulls?
The first thing is who do I think can also do good on a NTM level. So here it's important that we have the soft treatments, fertility and health is there. Also the components with high fat and protein, not specifically a lot of amount of kilos of milk, but components. And then of course some outcross bloodlines. And over the last year, the Pol genes have also been extremely interesting for us. So that's the main criteria. And of course, can we get a little bit more type and openness in the frame, then it's also something we're looking at in the American bloodlines. Yeah.
Can we see a few of the bull moths?
We have lined up over here a few of the bull dams we are working with at the moment, and maybe especially the cow who is chewing her cud at the moment. She is a direct daughter of Spiral, and her son VJ Adelgaard is in production right now, and we are using him heavily, and I can hear that he is also soon coming to the US.
We have our first units in the US now.
Super. Actually, the father of VJ Adelgaard is a bull that we have bred also, VJ Danka. And here the grandsire of VJ Danka is Casino. So here we have the combination of Danish and American in several generations. And I hope it will also make him very reliable in the US because the amount of American blood in the bull is high. So that will be very interesting
but
too.
Not too high. He's still outcrossed for the US population.
Exactly, and that's actually the most important. Yeah, exactly.
And if I understand correctly, what you're looking for when you're bringing US genetics over are bulls that are going to perform comparably to Danish sires.
Yeah.
So you still need high components and fertility and health. You're not looking for something different from the US, you're just looking for something outcross that'll contribute to the Danish breeding strategy.
Exactly. We know in the Danish system how important health and fertility is. And if we want to make a success, we have to find those things, because otherwise, when we test the American genetic in the Danish system, they're just going to drop. And then we're not going to bring them forward in the breeding. So, yeah.
Well, the amazing thing that I've seen looking at U.S. evaluations of the Viking bulls that we're bringing to the U.S. is how fertile they are.
Yeah.
Daughter fertility scores at +2, +3, even +4. Yeah. And in the U.S. population, we're looking at a lot of negatives right now.
Yeah. And that's also what we're searching quite a lot to try and find the exact bulls that can do something here. And maybe you can tell me if you have more knowledge on the families behind those bulls, but at the moment we are using a bull like Odessa, and also just started to use an Odessa son, Braille or something. Yeah, just got semen yesterday from him. I have a pretty good eye on Odessa. We still have some cows on the ground, and they are actually testing pretty good in the NTM system, and that's also why I choose the son of him for the next generation.
Great.
Yeah.